husband and I took a little field trip to New Jersey yesterday to a poultry farm to get our Thanksgiving turkey. And while we were there, I also picked up a nice fresh chicken, and I thought, you know what would go really good with this chicken? A blueberry cornbread. So I made one, and here's how you can make one too. You will need 1 1/4 cups cornmeal, 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of whole milk, 2 beaten eggs, and a melted stick of butter. In a large mixing bowl, combine all of your dry ingredients. Stir in your wet ingredients, reserving about a tablespoon of butter. Then add your blueberries and stir well to combine. Carefully coat the skillet with the reserved melted butter. Pour in your batter and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick placed in the center comes out clean. You need to let this cool for about 20 minutes, half an hour, and now let's cut in. The edges are golden brown and a little bit crispy. Take a look inside. Beautiful. Doesn't that look so good? So let's taste it. So good. A little tip to prevent your blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the pan while it's baking. Toss them in a little of the cornmeal before you add them to the batter, and that will keep them afloat. So I hope you'll try this. It's super delicious, and it goes great as a side dish, especially with chicken. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and come back and see me again real soon.